away, my people. It don't happen again. It don't scatter. It don't bust. It don't set. No be something. No only my ear. No, if you hear this one, no. Make una carry una jokote sit down. Come listen to Jagaban himself, my people. It don't happen again. If you be obedient, I beg make una share this video. Matter really there. You go listen well. You have to think. You listen. No be something. I it happen. You go talk say you don't see finish. You no say you never see finish. Oh, make una come see something. Make una regard.
For thinking and doing. Nigeria needs thinkers and doers. And that is, I'm openly begging Nasir El-Rufai not to run away for additional degree excuse. He's going to Cairo, PhD and everything. There are lots of educated relics. We are not going to let you run away. Your vision, creativity, and resiliency in turning a rotten situation to a bad one is necessary at this critical time. That is why we are here today. Therefore, I'm sure that under the able leadership of this governor, Nasir El-Rufai, the leadership of the Jpac, and the subsequent administrations in Kaduna will be very successful once the path is straight. These states will be turned into a rapid job creation state. To you, the Kadunians, be sure of the success of the